Good morning everybody, hope you guys are all doing alright out there in YouTube land. If you notice my video that I put out on the CERASTES VIRAN V8-02 camera, the two takeaways I came away with from that video was that the sound was terrible, really bad. It was distorted and weak and faded in and out. And the reason that was because when I got the camera, it didn't come with the instruction manual for this camera. It came with a different instruction manual, so there's no information about what the modes are and features. So a few days after I'd made the video, I couldn't figure out why the sound was so bad. I'm going through the camera and I find this little box which had auto noise reduction on or off, and it was on, so it was on by default. So I turned it off. Now the sound is 100% better. It's good sound actually. It's not decent, it's actually good, I think. The second problem was the video didn't look too clear. And I think that was because when it arrived, the camera through the mail in the box, so usually when you buy a new camera, it has a piece of plastic over the lens to protect it, also on the back monitor. This one didn't have that. I don't know if it was deliberate or whether it was a used camera. So once I cleaned that lens well, you're getting a totally different video. 100% better, I would say. So I'm happy about that. Thanks for watching. Things about this camera on the side note. It's small, portable, it's easy to use. It has image stabilization, which is great. Also has Wi-Fi, so you can use it from your phone. You can remotely turn the recording on and off from your phone. It's up to about 30 feet or something, which is good. And also, what do I like about this camera? Well, the fact it shoots in 5K, and that was the other thing. I took a picture in 5K the other day, and when I looked at it in the file, it was actually an 8K picture. And I don't know how. I said, that's wrong, so I enlarged it. I zoomed right in on the pixels, and man, it was really tight. So I think it is 8K, even though it is advertised as a 5K camera. What's all that about? I'm baffled. You would think that we're going, oh, this is an 8K camera, so it's taking 8K photographs. Well, I don't know what to say about that. So now maybe I'm going to make a few more clips, put them into this little video to let you see how good this camera actually is. This is 2.7. Now does that mean that we should be getting clear video? Yes, it does. It means we should be getting very clear video. Let's just see how sharp these fronds look. Hopefully they're about like a foot away. This lilac is about 3 feet away. Welcome to an absolutely beautiful day. It's Anne's birthday today.
Yay!
It's July the 17th. So we're celebrating the occasion out here in Eagle Fern Park, which is near Decatur. It's about 20 miles outside of Portland.
That's right. It's one of my favorite spots, and that's where I wanted to go on my birthday, which happened to fall in the middle of the week, so then my birthday will be complete.
And we hope everything goes swimmingly. Reaches right up to the sky. This rock here, is that a mermaid?
I'm going to find some gold down there so I can go.
And what are you going to use to find the gold with?
This here pan, and we're going to see.